Welcome to this tutorial on using the Maps platform of the MPA Europe project, where you can explore species and habitat distribution maps. You can access the platform at shiny.obs.org/distmaps. When you open the platform, you'll see four main tabs: Species, Thermal Range, Habitat, and Diversity. Let's start with the Species tab. You can search for species by selecting options at the top of the page, or typing a scientific name directly to find a specific species. Additionally, you can filter by group, phylum, class, order, or even search by common name. Let's select a species to explore the platform. Once selected, you'll see more information on the right side of the map, such as the number of records used to build the model, or the species AFIA ID. On the left, you'll find controls that allow you to view extra map details. Including an essential option to enable or disable the mask. The mask limits the distribution map to areas where the species is likely to occur, such as native regions or buffer zones around occurrence points. You can choose from different mask types to suit your needs. You can also filter data to display only areas above a specific threshold, for example, by applying the P10 threshold. Additionally, you can display the realms used to define native areas, or overlay exclusive economic zones. In the lower right corner of the map, you can enable the view of the points used to train the models. Multiple methods were used to train the models. For example, you can access the output from the random forest model, or view the ensemble results. Additionally, predictions are available for different scenarios, such as SSP3, as well as for two future decades, 2050 and 2100. When viewing future predictions, the Split Map Viewer option, in the lower left corner of the map, allows you to compare the current and future projections side by side, making it easy to observe potential changes across areas. In the right panel, you'll also find options to download the model data, or the code to run the models on your own computer. Upon downloading, you'll receive either a Jupyter notebook or a Quarto document containing all necessary code to run the models independently. You can also access all code used to produce these models. Scrolling down provides additional information about the models, including response curves for each variable used, model performance metrics, and variable importance scores. You can also view maps indicating areas of extrapolation or potential data bias, along with comprehensive model fitting details. A complete report for each species is also available for download. In the Thermal Range tab, you'll find thermal envelopes for each species. As with the species distribution models, you can explore different scenarios here. For example, the future projection for the SSP2 scenario for the year 2050 is shown. Using the controls in the right corner of the map, you can toggle between current and future predictions. Scrolling down provides additional information on the thermal range maps. In the Habitat tab, you can explore stacked species distribution models for various groups. These maps display the distribution of species that form specific biogenic habitats. In the right corner of the map, you can enable the view of the individual points representing each species within a given habitat. Lastly, in the Diversity tab, you can access richness maps, available from both raw and model-based data. Thank you for watching, and we hope you find the MPA Europe Maps platform helpful in your marine research and conservation efforts.